Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarumbai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 138th episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. A very happy new year. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. Italy, Strena 2023 video launched from Generalate of Salesian Sisters. Brother Sunil Kerketa reports.
With the theme, As the Yeast in the Human Family, Strena 2023 video was launched on 27th December by the 10th successor of Don Bosco, Father Angel F. Artime, from the General House of the FMS Sisters in Rome. The 19-minute Strena 2023 video is available in 5 languages: Italian, English, Portuguese, French, and Spanish. The Strena video story is located on stage at the Valdoco Theatre as one large workshop with Be Real, Be Human, Be Holy slowly emerging as the background. 2 attractive testimonies from 2 oratory Bosconians, Erico from Ciudad Juarez, Mexico, and Giovanna Bruno, mayor of Andria, southern Italy, share life-changing experience in the Salesian oratory, where they encountered a tangible gospel witnesses and credible church.
Brother Sunil Kerketa reporting. Pope Francis declared 2025 as the Jubilee Year. Church Art Kolkata offers a fitting inspiration to the Jubilee Year with its collection of life-size statues, 14 Stations of the Cross, 20 Mysteries of the Holy Rosary, Lives of Saints, and innumerable murals on the life of Jesus and liturgical designs to embellish existing church doors. Also available are 10 panels of St. Francis of Assisi's Canticle of Creation to testify your institution's green commitment. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil by email churchart.kanguli@gmail.com or WhatsApp, Telegram, country code 919831020945. India alumni organized Christmas exhibition in Kolkata Cathedral. Chief Minister and Archbishop attend. Brother Banhulang Lingdo gives details.
Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and Member of Parliament Abhishek Banerjee attended the midnight mass at Cathedral of the Most Holy Rosary, Kolkata, presided over by Archbishop Thomas D'Souza of Kolkata, along with several civil and church dignitaries. Other dignitaries present at the Christmas Eve function were Vicar General, Pro-Vicar of the Cathedral, and Kolkata Police Commissioner. Chief Minister inaugurated the Crib and Special Exhibition on the Life of Jesus, curated by Church Art Kolkata CEO Mr. Subrata Ganguly. The 20 panels at the special exhibition, created by Church Art Kolkata, displayed in front of the Cathedral of the Most Holy Rosary, narrated the story of the announcement of the birth of Jesus till his resurrection and the glorification of his mother Mary. Members of Don Bosco School Lilwa alumni, Pramodi Agarwal and Subrata Ganguly and others organized the event. The cathedral was founded in 1799.
Brother Banhulang Lingdo reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Assam Don Bosco University hosts 14th National Bosquerie. Some 2,800 scouts and guides attend. Father George William reports from Guwahati, Assam.
Assam Don Bosco University campus at Tapezia, on the outskirts of Guwahati city, is hosting the 14th National Bosquerie from 29th December 2022 to 3rd January 2023. Organized by the Salesian province of Guwahati, about 1,300 Boy Scouts and 1,450 Girl Guides between the ages of 12 to 17 years from Don Bosco schools of 11 Salesian provinces of India, as well as FMA, MSMHC, SMI and VSDB Salesian family schools, including Andaman Nicobar Islands and neighboring Nepal, are taking part. This year is a significant year as it keeps the centenary's year of the arrival of the first batch of Salesians in 1922 at Guwahati, marking 100 years of Salesian presence in Northeast India. The theme for this Bosquerie is Save Our Planet Home, keeping with the need of the hour, concern for the environment and climate change. The activities for the troops are held in 10 subcamps, ensuring better participation of all the campers. The first National Bosquerie was held in 1974 at Doddabalapur, Karnataka, while the last one, the 13th National Bosquerie, was held in 2018 at Nasik, Maharashtra.
Father George William reporting. India Sisters mark Founders Centenary with empowering works for marginalized women and girls. Sister V.G. John reports from Guwahati, Assam.
Missionary Sisters of Mary Help of Christians, MSMHC, inaugurated the centenary year of the priestly ordination and the arrival of Venerable Salesian Bishop Stephen Ferrando, their founder, on 22nd December 2022 at their generalate in Guwahati. A member of the third batch of Salesians coming to Assam missions, young priest Stephen Ferrando accompanied a group of Italian novices who arrived at Shillong on 22nd December 1923. Marking the occasion, Salesian Archbishop Emeritus Thomas Manamparambil of Guwahati hoisted the centenary flag and offered floral tribute to the portrait of Bishop Ferrando. Superior General Sister Philomena Matthew lighted the centenary lamp, which will be kept alive throughout the year. Archbishop Menambarambil presided over the solemn Eucharistic celebration, along with Guwahati Salesian Provincial Father January Sangma and former Guwahati Provincial Father Joseph Almeida. In his homily, Archbishop Thomas highlighted the inspiring roles that Venerable Bishop Ferrando played as a bishop and as the founder of MSMHC. Sister Philomena stressed on the need to initiate more activities to keep alive Ferrando's memory and to live radically their charism and spirit by empowering poor and marginalized women and girls.
Sister V.G. John reporting. Thailand school community prepares Eco-Christmas in line with Don Bosco Green Alliance directives. Father Ekase Talakulton reports from Bangkok.
Students of Don Bosco schools in Thailand got a deeper insight into the Christmas story and into the Christ-like mindset of Laudato Si, Eco-Christmas, caring for our common home. Students and teachers of St. Dominic's School, Bangkok, followed the lines of the Don Bosco Green Alliance in all their Christmas activities, including setting up the Christmas crib. Further, the crib-making competition brought pride and happiness among management, teachers, parents, and students. The school also produced a short video expressing the message of Pope Francis in Laudato Si and followed the policy of the Don Bosco Green Alliance to celebrate an Eco-Christmas. All other Don Bosco schools in Thailand also engaged in Eco-Christmas activities.
Father Ekasit Talakulton reporting.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.